So welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to generate affiliate link on Amazon. So first thing first, log in your Amazon account, the same account that you use for Amazon Associates. Then let's choose AirPods. Just click on that. Then after that, just simply click on get link text, and after that you'll get your affiliate link on Amazon. You can choose short link or full link. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.